Hello and welcome to the Panasonic stand here at CeMAT 2018, where the phrase I'm hearing a lot this week is Gemba Process Innovation. Gemba is actually the Japanese word for workplace, and a lot of the solutions we're going to be showing this week are really aimed at bringing about process innovation within the logistics industry. And a lot of our solutions this week are going to be being presented by Zetes, which is a Panasonic group company. So, seeing as we're here, why don't we take a look around? Welcome to our warehouse and factory solution zones, where we're introducing a range of technologies that can help take the errors out of warehouse operations. One example is this. It's our RFID and Image ID gate, where essentially products or pallets pass in front of the scanner, and the scanner can determine whether or not the products inside those boxes are correct and whether there's the right number inside there too. It's the distribution hub here at CeMAT 2018, where it's all about moving parcels around faster and safer. Behind me you'll see our visual sort assist, which combines scanning technology and projection to really speed up the process of sorting parcels on a conveyor belt. We've also got our automated transport system, which is a series of floor robots with forklift truck mechanisms which pick up pallets and move them around a warehouse very quickly and autonomously. And if you do need a little bit of help in terms of manual assist, we've got this. This is our power assist suit, which is about to be demonstrated, and it means that manual operators can pick very heavy items up without getting fatigued. So we've seen packaging and we've seen distribution, but what about that crucial last mile? Well, Zetes proof of delivery software will ensure you never miss that important parcel, and this is our smart locker solution. So you could send or collect a parcel at the touch of a button, and it's all controlled via the cloud. So as you can see, by bringing about innovation within our customers' Gemba operations, we're helping ensure a better life, a better world.